Okay guys, so I know I'm starting with a finished page. I accidentally switched my video over to slow-mo, so I created a 4-minute video that's like super long. Basically for day 31 of my 2022 December daily, I went with a digital page, pretty much almost all digital. This is a template that was out in the 2021 December daily products, but it's not even a big deal. I didn't use the template as it was. It just reminds me that I can put 4 photos on an 8¼ by 11 inch paper, which means these are 4 1/8 by 5½. So these cards, these 3 cards are all from the 2023 Stories by the Month kit. I thought that they would be fun to use digitally. This is like a 4x6 card. This is a 3x4 card. I shrunk those down to 2 3/4 by 4 1/8 because that's what half of 5 1/2 is. And then this one, this is exactly how the card was. I just added a tiny bit of journaling. These are all the photos I have from that day, which is a little sad, but it was a Saturday. I had to work that day, came home, ate dinner, snuggled on the couch with my cat, probably watched some TV, movies, watched the ball drop. I have one photo of the TV of New Year's Eve that's like blurry. Didn't really come out that well. So that's all I have. So what I did do is, this is one of the chipboard pieces here. It was in like a light bluish kind of color that's somewhere in the specs. It wasn't even this color, it was a different color blue, but I didn't really like that. I wanted to pop up the teal more. So I changed the color, printed that out separately, punched it out with a 1 3/4 inch punch, and used my Gina K foam squares to pop that up. I love these because they're low profile, so like it is dimensional but not much. Like, it's awesome. Same with this over here. You know, it's got great dimension. That's really nice and low. And then I added this chipboard number over here and a little word phrase sticker from the actual physical kit from January Stories by the Month kit. This is, if I had been thinking about it, I might have changed this white number 2 here to a different color, maybe like this lighter blue color, so it didn't stand out so much. Then this would be white and this would be white, and they would pop more. As it is right now, this really draws your attention, but it wasn't something I had thought about, so no big deal. If it really bothered me, I could print a new copy of this and literally stick it right over top. But it doesn't bother me that much. So all I did was attach it to the back, repunch my holes, done. Nice and simple, easy peasy. So I have a couple things to wrap up that I mentioned in my day 30 video. And I just also wanted to mention too, like, if you see supplies like this that I'm using consistently in my albums, I created some new links for you guys. I created an Amazon storefront and a scrapbook.com storefront, basically for all of my favorites. So like, I have one that's for my favorite tools, one that's for my favorite adhesives, and you can click on those links. They are affiliate links, so it's no cost to you, but I make a tiny little profit for my time and effort. But they're found in the details of all of my videos on YouTube, and I would just love and appreciate any support you could give by using those links. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon for the finished pieces of the album. I have the stamped pages to do, the full album walkthrough, and day 6 to go back and finish up, as well as my reason why page. So still a few things to wrap up, but I'm really happy to be getting these done. Bye for now.